if you have a quadratic equation, then you just need to check and see if it is in standard form. So if you've got standard form, you'll see y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. This is the easiest form to be able to tell your y-intercept because it's just going to be that constant value here, the c value. So, for example, if we look at number 1 here, you can see that the a value is 1, there's just 1x squared, the b is 3, and the c is 2. This 2 here is our y-intercept. So our y-intercept is going to be the coordinate 0, 2. Now, in order to find the x-intercept, we need to, just like the slope-intercept form or standard form of a line, you're just looking for where the coordinate is x, 0. So our x-intercept is going to be whenever we plug in a 0 for the y value. So I'm going to replace the y with 0, and now I have 0 equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. Well, in order to solve this, I need to check and see, can I factor it? That would be one way to solve it. So if I try and factor this into the two pieces, I'm looking for what are the multiples of 2 that add up to 3. Well, they would be 2 and 1. Now they both be positive, so I'm going to have plus 2 and plus 1. In front, I'm just going to have x times x. So when I check my FOIL, I would be doing x times x, that would be x squared, and then the x times 1 plus the 2 times x would give me my 3x, and then the 2 times 1 does give me the 2 at the end there. Now I'm not quite done because now I need to set each of these expressions equal to 0. Okay, because x plus 2 could equal 0, or x plus 1 equals 0, or both. So when I solve for x on this one, I get x equals negative 2, and if I solve for x on my second equation, I get x is equal to negative 1. So these would be my roots, or my solutions, or my zeros. It doesn't matter how they ask you, but these are your x-intercepts. So I would write, I've got the negative 2, 0, and I've also got negative 1, 0. Remember, these quadratics can cross at 1 point, 2 points, or no points.